If I were to start again to make money online in 2026, this is exactly what I will do. I will start TikTok account, I will start YouTube channel, I will start freelancing, and also I will start content writing. If you are that person who have been figuring out on how to make money online, don't waste your time. Don't chase shortcuts. Watch this video till the end because this video has got everything that you need to start making money online in 2026. I wish someone could have sat me down years back and taught me slowly, honestly, and without pressure. So if you are someone who is trying to figure things out, confused or broke, don't rush. This video is exactly for you. So if it's your first time to see this phase, my name is Mosewa Mkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future uploads. I know times are tough here in Kenya, especially for online space. We have rent, bills, and maybe no job. Let me talk to you as a friend. Making money online is not magic, it is not fast, and it is not easy at the beginning. I used to think that I needed large capital to buy Wi-Fi equipment, Mac laptop, but the truth is, I just needed one clear path, one skill, and patience. So this year, Kenya is full of opportunities online, but it is only open for those people who are willing to learn before they earn. And if I were to start again, I will not overthink anything. I will just start where I am with my phone, internet bundle, and one email address. Now the first method of making money online here in Kenya that I have seen recently is through TikTok. Most of my Gen Zs and youths are making huge amount of money through TikTok. TikTok is not just a place for dancing. It has become a real income for creative people. So here are actual ways in which people are turning TikTok into money. TikTok has got monetization program where creators earn from views and engagements. Once you hit certain followers and milestones, TikTok pays you directly based on your performance. And most of my Gen Zs are getting money online on TikTok through brand sponsorship. Some will say, how does brand sponsorship works? Creators with niche followings such as fashion, tech, comedy, and even tutorials get paid by brands to promote products. Here in Kenya, I have seen mid-level account earning thousands of shillings per campaign. Another way that many Kenyans make money on TikTok is through live gifts. When you go live, your followers send gifts, and you can turn these gifts into cash. Many TikTokers here in Kenya use this as a recurring income stream. You can also earn through affiliate links. You can link products in your bio, products from Jumia or Kilimall. When someone purchases, you earn a commission on your TikTok account. I have also seen people earning money on TikTok through affiliate links. For example, you can promote products from Kilimall or even Jumia, then paste that link in your TikTok bio. So when someone buys that product, you earn a commission. One example is one of our own TikTok queen, Asiat Nasenya. She worked with major brands and built a huge audience, meaning that creative content can turn into income and opportunities. Now this is big. Meta platform has just opened monetization for Kenyan creators. This means you can earn both from Facebook and Instagram too. Now this platform lets you earn from in-stream ads. Whether you upload a longer video or a shorter video, you can earn money based on views and performance. Instagram has got similar reward system where creators can even share a revenue based on views. To qualify for monetization tool, you generally need 5,000 followers on Instagram or Facebook, 60,000 minutes watched in your last 60 days, and this is very important. You must meet Meta's content guideline and stay connected. And if I were to start again, I will choose one platform, stick to it, and then see results before I move to another platform. Now, another method that you can make money online in 2026 here in Kenya is through freelancing. I wish I understood earlier that freelancing is not being the best in the world, but it is about solving small problems to people who are willing to pay. And that is it. So let me give you skills that I'll choose again if I were to start again. Number one, I will choose content writing. Why? Because when you go to freelancers sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com, many people are searching copywriting freelancers, as many as possible. So if I were to start again, I will invest my time to learn copywriting, hone my skills before I venture into these job opportunities. Another skill that I will learn is transcription. Yes, transcription. Just converting audio into texts. I have my friend called Kevin. He has a lot of transcription tasks. He always tells me, can I find the best transcriber? So if you have transcription skills and you can meet deadline, then this is gold for you. Another freelance skill that you need to learn in 2026 is visual assistant and data entry. These skills does not require any talent, just consistency. And in 2026, I will still focus on these platforms that actually works. Number one is Fiverr, People Per Hour, freelancer.com, and Upwork. I will start cheap, learn on the process, and then rise slowly my prices. Now, if I were to start again, I will start YouTube earlier. Not because it is easy, but it compounds over time. YouTube is one of the oldest and most reliable way to earn money online. And many of Kenyan creators are doing that. So here is how money flows on YouTube. Now YouTube pays through ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. You can also sell your own products on this YouTube channel. So if I were to start again, this is what I will do different. I will not wait to buy a camera. I will start faceless. Faceless means you can start creating voice-over videos, screen recordings, and tutorials. This one does not require you to show your face. Now here are channel ideas that still work in 2026. You can start to create video on tutorials, making money online, food or how to cook, tech reviews, football analysis, and even beauty and fashion. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can unlock monetization on YouTube, where you get paid per 1,000 views. And somebody asked me, Mose, how does YouTube pays? YouTube pays from 21st to 26th of every month, and they pay direct to your bank account. You need to open something called Google AdSense. This is the one that will help you to process your money into your bank. Another easy way to make money online here in Kenya in 2026 is through affiliate marketing. If I'm honest, affiliate marketing used to confuse me at first, but now I know it is simply recommending others people's product and services. When someone buys, you get paid. If I were to start again, I will choose products such as courses, digital tools, platforms, and even AI tools. Adijuice, Digistore, Share a Sale, and Amazon Associates. No product, no delivery, no stress, just promoting. Another easy way to make money online is through online teaching. If I were to go back, I will stop learning everything and focus on one skill. Skills that I would learn is graphic design, video editing, visual assistance, and copywriting. Once you have these skills, you can teach someone online and then get paid because you are a guru in this field. And you can learn these things free. You can use multiple AI. You can ask AI to teach you these skills. You can learn from Coursera. You can learn from YouTube or even Google Digital Skills. Here is my tip. Learn one skill, focus, and then monetize. Our last method of making money online here in Kenya in 2026 is through writing and scripts. I never knew that writing could pay until it did. If I were to start again, I would write blog posts, scripts, and Medium articles. Here you don't need to be genius. You just need clarity and consistency. And there are many writing tools out there that can help you to nourish or polish your work. For example, we have ChatGPT, we have Gemini, we have GenSpark AI, we have DeepSeek. A lot of tools that can help you to polish your work. And this one is something I wished I learned earlier. Digital products, ebooks, guides, notes, templates, and simple ebooks. Did I say ebooks? Okay, yes, I said. People don't pay for complexity, they pay for solutions. If I were to start early, I will stop chasing quick money, avoid comparing myself to others, giving up too early, and jumping from one idea to another. Progress is quiet at first, then it becomes loud. If I were to start again, I will not ask, will this work? I will rather ask, am I willing to stay along for it to work? So let me leave you with this. The internet doesn't care about where you come from. It does not care about your tribe. It doesn't ask you your age, but it rewards those people who show up daily. 1 year from now, you will either say, I wish I started in 2026. Or you will say, I'm glad I didn't give up. So if this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share this video with someone who feels lost right now. Before we finish, let us finish with our scripture. Our scripture comes from the book of Matthew, chapter 7, verses 24. Go and read this for yourself. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.